nongialam liang pyrshah Dr. Mukul Sangma saitjain kata tarik Risaw arhaja arpo ulong bakaran kynhun trei na bynta jingtih jingshalan beain Dewiong kumta kyntu bandan jingwat Bniah kaba laitluid Halor kane khnang lap jingshisha baro.
You just look at the modus operandi. If I have alleged that there is a strong cartel operating to facilitate illegal coal mining and illegal transportation, what does it mean? A cartel which is operating in the state and across the state, beyond the boundaries of the state. It's a large cartel. It is not just within the state of Meghalaya. There are people who are deeply involved in this cartel. Now, therefore, this particular issue of this allegation of a big cartel in respect to whole illegal coal mining and illegal transportation of coal, not only the coal from Meghalaya, it also involves coal from other states. You go and see and be analytical. Now, unless there is an investigating agency which is independent, as per the mandate of the law, this will never be unearthed. Because the people who should be doing it have the reasons to not do it. If it is not in the interest of the state, then for whose interest are we saying this?
Dr. Mukul ulong ru khnang bantab edmiao yakani ka beain ki deputy commissioner jongkini ki district ki penbanai ke jingdan Dewiong ubamshimdan bakam trai kumta la daily lam no yo kane ka jingli lam yu Dewiong klawan ra ka jingdu nong bo jingmaru ka bakraw ya ka Jylla ulabo jingkli balai amshimla dan ka jingpen banai shikitra Dewiong wan chakmat ban kam yu Dewiong
Cover up camouflage exercise which is bleeding the state. You know what is that? They have started saying that there are unclaimed coal. Okay? Every deputy commissioner is notifying there is an unclaimed coal, and then there is an auction of this unclaimed coal. Unclaimed coal, have you ever heard any of the district administration coming up with a public notice saying that, okay, this particular coal has been detected in this particular place. Is there a legal owner or not? Has there been a public notice? Unless you give notice legally, how have they come to know that it is an unclaimed coal? They have compiled all those illegally mined coal into an unclaimed coal, and then they are auctioning it. Now you look at this part. This is the modus operandi number one. Then another modus operandi is what? The process of auctioning. One particular process of auctioning in South Garo Hills have already resulted in huge loss to the state. And similarly, the process of auctioning in Jylla Hills, the process of auctioning in West Jylla Hills, which is in process now. Which is in process. You go and see in West Jylla Hills where there is a coal. Has there been a notice, public notice, asking any of the owner to come up and claim? Have there been? Friends, a dangerous trend is on to loot the state. These are all deep-rooted criminal activities.
Ulaban rabru balada ki sengsan perthai ki badan hakani ka sarkar ka bynta ki dang perkhat khandiat na ka bynta ka Jylla bar ka judgment ken mi na kani ka sarkar.
If they are in the interest of the state, all these political parties who are in the government, if they are in the interest of protecting the state, they will all come out of this government. But if they are together, please say that they are happy. They are happy. And why they are happy, that you ask them. Thank you.